Good morning, students. Today, let us solve the third problem from exercise 12.2 from the Heron's formula. Now, third question is Radha made a picture of an aeroplane with colored paper as shown in figure 12.15. It is given in the textbook. This is the figure which is given in the textbook. Find the total area of the paper used. Now, many things are not given here. We are going to assume certain things. We are going to assume that this triangle is an isosceles triangle. Then we are going to assume this triangle as a right angle triangle. We are going to assume this triangle also as a right angle triangle. We are going to consider these angles as right angles and the trapezium as isosceles trapezium. That is, these two sides are equal. It means it is a trapezium. We are going to consider this side is parallel to the other side. So we are going to consider this figure as a trapezium and then find the area of the figure. So let us find the area of this first figure, first triangle. Now we are going to consider this as isosceles triangle. It means consider triangle. We are going to find this. Consider triangle ABK. I have given the names to the figure A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. So first part we are going to consider, that is, this is first part, triangle ABK. In triangle ABK we are having AB is equal to 5 centimeters. Then AK we are going to consider this also as a 5 centimeters and BK is equal to 1 centimeters. BK is equal to 1 centimeter. Please note this is 1 centimeter, so this will also be the 1 centimeter. We are going to consider this as a rectangle. Now to find the area of the triangle, we have already discussed one formula. Area of isosceles triangle is equal to area of isosceles triangle, area of isosceles triangle is equal to b upon 4 under root 4a square minus b square. So by using this formula also we can find the area of this isosceles triangle. But since in Heron's formula we are told to, not told, but since the name of the chapter is Heron's formula, we are going to make a practice of Heron's formula. I am going to solve this problem by Heron's formula. So here I will get semi-perimeter S is equal to 5 plus 5, 10 plus 1, 11 upon 2, that is equal to 5.5. Now area of triangle according to Heron's formula, area of triangle is equal to area of triangle ABK is equal to under root S in bracket S minus A in bracket S minus B in bracket S minus C. So this is equal to S is 5.5. So this will be 5.5 minus 5. Next will be 5.5 minus 5 and 5.5 minus 1. It means this is equal to under root 5.5. This is 0.5. Next subtraction is again 0.5 and last subtraction is 4.5. Please note this is equal to 55 upon 10. So 55 can be split as 5 into 11 upon 10. 0.5 is 5 upon 10. Again 0.5 is 5 upon 10. Again 4.5 is 9, 5s are 45. This is 4.5 upon 10 is 45 upon 10. 45 will split into 3 into 3, 9. 9 5s are 45 upon 10. Now of these two tens will come out. So this will be 10 into 10. 1, 2, 3, 4 5s are there, so they will come out as 2 5s. 2 3s are there, so 1 will come out. And under root you will have only 11. So answer is 5 5s are 25, 3s are 75 upon 100 root 11. So that is equal to, we can take 3 upon 4 or 0.75 root 11. So area of triangle ABK is equal to 0.75 root 11 centimeter square. Second, I am going to find the area of rectangle BEHK. So area of rectangle BEHK is equal to, now area of rectangle we have the formula length into breadth. So length of the rectangle is given to us as HK is equal to, here we have not written the given things, HK is equal to 6.5 centimeters and HE is equal to 1 centimeters. So area of quadrilateral BEHK is equal to 6.5 into 1 centimeter square, that is equal to 6.5 centimeter square. Dear students, I will need the space to solve the further problem. So I have written these two values here. Area of triangle ABK is equal to root 75 root 11, sorry, 0.75 root 11 centimeter square, and area of quadrilateral BEHK is equal to 6.5 centimeter square. So I am going to erase this portion and again solve. Here we have solved area of isosceles triangle by using Heron's formula. You can solve by using this formula also. Now let us find the area of EFHG. So area of quadrilateral EFGH. Now please note, here it is a trapezium. We have the formula for the trapezium is equal to, area of trapezium is equal to half into sum of parallel sides into height. Sum of parallel sides multiplied by height. Please note, we are not given the height of this trapezium. So to find the height of the trapezium, we need to construct a one line parallel to EF. So we have came up to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. So I will take this point as L. This point as L. I am going to draw HL parallel to EF. So construct HL parallel to EF. Now please note, HE is parallel to GF. HE is parallel to GF. Therefore, I can say that LF is parallel to HE, or HE is parallel to LF. Hence HELF is quadrilateral HEFL is parallelogram. And opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Therefore, I will get EF is 1. EF is equal to 1 centimeter. This is given. Therefore, I will get HL also equal to 1 centimeter. Now, HE is equal to 1 centimeter given. Therefore, LF is equal to 1 centimeter. Reason is opposite sides of parallelogram. For both these sides, we have opposite sides of parallelogram. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Next, we have got LF is equal to 1 centimeter. Please note, it means GL is also equal to 1 centimeter. Please note, we have got GL is equal to 1 centimeter, HL is equal to 1 centimeter, and GH is also equal to 1 centimeter. It means this triangle HGL is an equilateral triangle since all the sides are equal. Therefore, I will get triangle HGL is an equilateral triangle. And we know that height of equilateral triangle is root 3 upon 2 times the sides. So height is equal to height of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 upon 2 times side. So this is equal to root 3 upon 2 times side is GH, that is equal to 1 centimeters. It means this is equal to root 3 upon 2 times the centimeter. So height we have got root 3 upon 2 times centimeters. Therefore, area of quadrilateral EFGH. Therefore, area of quadrilateral EFGH is equal to half into sum of parallel sides, that is 1 plus 2 multiplied by height is root 3 upon 2. So this is equal to 1 plus 2 is 3 root 3 upon 2 2s are 4 centimeters square. So we have got area of quadrilateral EFGH is equal to root 3 upon 4 centimeters square. Dear students, again I will need this place to solve the further problem, so I am going to erase the board. I have written it here. Area of quadrilateral EFGH is equal to 3 upon 4 centimeter square. Now we have already considered this as a plane, means these two triangles are symmetric triangles. So area of IJK, area of triangle IJK is equal to area of triangle BCD is equal to, please note, we have considered this angle as right angle. It means we can use the formula half into product of perpendicular sides. Product of perpendicular sides. So this is equal to half into 6 into 1.5. So this is equal to 3 into 1.5 is 4.5 centimeter square. Now area of this triangle is also 4.5 centimeter. Area of this triangle is also 4.5 centimeter square. So it means area of the plane is equal to area of triangle ABK plus area of quadrilateral BEHK plus area of quadrilateral EFGH plus area of triangle IJK plus area of triangle BCD. So this is equal to area of paper used is equal to area of triangle ABK plus area of quadrilateral BEHK plus area of quadrilateral EFGH plus area of triangle IJK plus area of triangle BCD. So this is equal to 0.75 root 11 plus 6.5 plus 3 root 3 upon 4 plus 4.5 plus 4.5 centimeter square. So this is equal to, rational numbers will get added. This will be 9 plus 6 is 15.5 plus 3 upon 4 root 11 plus 3 root 3 upon 4 centimeter square. This is equal to, because of more length of the problem, I have not solved here. I have taken these values. Root 11 is equal to 3.316 and root 3 is equal to 1.732. So this is equal to 15.5 plus 3 upon 4 multiplied by 3.316 plus 3 upon 4 multiplied by 1.732 centimeter square. So this is equal to, so if you solve this further, you will get 15.5 plus 2.49 plus 1. You can take 299. So if you add all this, you will get 19.289 centimeter square. Now if this is rounded to 1.3, number will increase a little bit. So last answer must be written in words. Thus the paper used is, total paper used or the total area of the paper used is 19.289 centimeter square. Thus total area of paper used is 19.289 centimeter square.